So we don't have any expectation under this government. People suffer. Enough is enough. We cannot accept because our patient has already lost. Because 3 years, how can the civilians will continue to live like this? We don't like this thing. So it is because of the central government, they are creating this situation, this chaos in our state. So this is the whole responsibility of the central government because they are not giving power to the state government. The state government is also puppet government. Really, we are highly condemn the incidents that happened in Portland and other places. And this type of killing and these hostages, in fact, it is really very unfortunate. And the central government, the state government, BJP, particularly Narendra Modi government, they are quite not serious on this matter. And the incidents which have happened since 3rd May 2023, we are facing a lot of problems among the different communities, Meitei, Kuki, Naga and Kuki. In fact, it's continued time and again. So what is the ideas of this Prime Minister, Honorable Sri Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah and the BJP government? So in fact, they are supporting this terrorist act because they are not stopping this for the last 3 years and continue time and again. The people suffer a lot. The civilians, facing problem, and the civilians, especially the pastors, they were killed in the ambush in different places, in Ukul district, Kangkupi district, and other periphery areas of the Imphal city. So this government cannot stop. We are not accepted this thing. And people are in a very bad situation. There is no free movement at all. And those who are captured by the different communities, say Kukis were captured by the Nagas armed people, and Nagas were captured by the Kuki armed forces, armed people. So the government should arrange to release immediately. So how long this type of jungle law and these terrorist act will face by the people? So that's why this act of terrorists in our state attacking to the civilians is not acceptable at all. And this government, under this Modi government, the violence is uncontrollable. There is no law and order at all. We are experiencing for the last 3 years, but we don't see any development at all. So this is, rather we think that this BJP government, under this Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi, they are encouraging, they are creating this situation, this chaos, this turmoil situation in the state. That is why, if the central government continue to see this killing of the innocent civilian, then they are also supporting the terrorist act. That's why the central government is the main terrorist, because they are accepting these terrorist incidents, these activities in the state. So it is not for one incident. Hundreds of incidents happen in the state. They are accepting this terrorist act. Means because we have a lot of these manpower, armed forces of the central government, they cannot stop it. Rather we kill each other. So this is the supporting part of the central government. Modi is silent for the last more than 3 years. Amit Shah is silent for the last more than 3 years. It says that silence is not the solution. There is no action at all, no concrete plan at all for the last 3 years. It means that this Modi government supporting the terrorist activities in the state. It shows that it is very clear that they are supporting terrorist act in this state. We are treating as second class citizen, and they are creating fighting among us, infighting among us. So we cannot accept this act of the central government and the BJP government.
Sir, yesterday ambush happened at two locations. One Chiru lost his life, and another three pastors lost their life. But yes, there is. Do you consider that there is security lapses because there are large number of security forces deployed in Manipur, particularly Cpl, but still no proper action we are seeing taken by the security forces. Neither any arrest, neither any apprehension. So
definitely this is right. So the area which have happened, the ambush by the armed militants to the civilians, just near that also is the outpost of the Central Security Forces.
19 December.
19 December. And also at the same time, state forces also there. And after that, some few hours, attacking to the Chiru community. In fact, the Chiru community is also very innocent and a small community in Manipur. And they are very innocent. And these senior citizens were killed, and others family members were injured. They are undergoing treatment here in the state. So whatever incidents have happened in the state, as you also know, there is no follow-up action at all. So any incidents in Prorong Lawi, return, and this Scotland, so there is no any immediate follow-up action. So there is no action at all under this Narendra Modi government that is experiencing for the last 3 years in the state.
So do you think that the government of India, particularly the BJP-led government, is planning for another communal violence amongst the people in the state?
That's why, that is a very good question. Under the Narendra Modi government, they are interested in the communal violence in the state because we are facing the problem for more than 3 years in our Manipur. So that's why they are not stopping this violence. If the central government want to stop the violence in the state, they can stop by 1 hour, within 1 hour also. So it is in the hands of the central government. The central government is also not giving power to the state government, which is unconstitutional. That is written very clearly in the constitution that the state leads and the central leads. That is also violated. The constitution is no more in our state, in India. So that violation of the constitution is also happening in Manipur. That is why the state government cannot do freely whatever they think, is proper, but they cannot do anything. But the central government is dictating. And under the central government, we had this president ruled for 1 year, and after popular government, president is also BJP government, and the popular government is also BJP government. But they continue. They are unable to control the situation for more than 3 years. That is why central government is creating this problem. They are accepting this problem. They are intentionally doing this violence. They are not stopping this violence for more than 3 years. That is why this state government and the central government, this BJP government, they are to be, we can say that they are extremists. They are extremists. They are supporting the extremist act in the activities in the state. So we don't have any expectation under this government. People suffer. Enough is enough. We cannot accept because our patient has already lost. Because 3 years, how can the civilians will continue to live like this? We don't like this thing. So it is because of the central government, they are creating this situation, this chaos in our state. So this is the whole responsibility of the central government because they are not giving power to the state government. The state government is also puppet government. So this is the drama. This is a political drama of the central government. So we don't accept anything like this under this situation in Manipur. Thank you.
Thank you.